Remember that whenever we're looking at a strong acid, that is essentially saying that that compound is going to completely dissociate in the solution. So remember, dissociation is just talking about us breaking apart that compound into its separate ions. So for example, if we were to have some generic formula and A as an acid, that's not an actual element. So this is just some sort of acid of HA. And what we're seeing is that we're forming that conjugate base. So remember, our acids will completely dissociate in our solution. So we would have H plus, or represented here as hydronium. And then that A would be on its own. This is proof of it saying, okay, it is completely dissociating. It is a strong acid. Now, another thing to note, there's this long list of different strong acids, and instead of having to memorize all of that in this case,